how to find the Chanel Valentine bag. It's not everyday Valentine's Day, and not in every Valentine's Day we'll find this Chanel bag. Honestly, we are not even sure whether this style is still available or discontinued. But take a closer look. Isn't a work of art? It has the same design as classic flap bag, diamond quilted woven chain, leather strap, and the gorgeous smooth CC logo. But it's not only that. The most eye-catching part is the heart-shaped charms embellished on the chain strap. Each charm represents different love, different style, color, and logo. The bag usually releases in red or pink or bicolor. If you are deciding to get a red Chanel bag, then you might as well get a limited edition like this one. Chanel doesn't offer the Valentine bag in every season. In fact, we have seen it for some time now. So the only solution is to find a reliable consignment store that sells pre-owned. We all know Chanel bags go up in prices. The price for this pre-owned Chanel Valentine bag is $4,470 USD. As we can remember, the medium size of the Chanel bag had a retail price of $3,800 USD in 2014. And we all know how many times Chanel raised their prices from 2014 to 2020 a lot of times.